Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. You know, gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Gregory. He's in Hong Kong. He says, can we use leaves for mulch? Do we need to prepare the leaves in any way? Green leaves or brown leaves? He says we don't have access to cut grass here. This is a really great question. And yes, you can use leaves for mulch. So most leaves are fine for the garden except black walnut and oak leaves. They can be a bit toxic to your garden. So if you're mulching the beds to keep the moisture, you can use green or brown leaves. And just make sure not to put them on too thick where they want to compost instead of just be mulch. You can put on a few thin layers a couple weeks apart to prevent them from smelling and composting on you. Now, if you're using the leaves to bring up seedlings, you'll have the best result if you use brown leaves and then crunch them up so they're in little small bits. So if you put the leaves on too thick on top of the seedlings, they may not germinate. The other thing you can use for mulching once the garden is established is you can use wood chips. Wood shavings, newspaper, you can use straw. You can even get away with fabric and some wool if you want to do that. So those are just a few other things to consider if you don't have grass clippings. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. And if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. And we'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or you can click the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. And until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.